know. But today's video is going to be on Selena Gomez's Can't Keep My Hands to Myself. I know she's had that video clip out for ages now. This is a very late recreation look, but I recently got the bangs, as you guys know, the fringe, and I was watching her video the other day. I'm like, that's it, I have to do this look before my fringe grows out completely, because it all kind of ties together. And I'm like, what kind of other looks can you do with a fringe? If you'd like to see how I did this makeup look and the hair, I'll show you. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing this big kimono, it's because I thought it kind of tied into a video clip. But how cool is this? I actually got this from an op shop and it is a men's, but I wear it anyway. A little bit too big for me, but it's really cool. Show you, it's like all embroidered, and then the back, I don't know if you can see, it's got like a big dragon, but it's actually reversible. So on this side you've got like the yellow, it's all done in like this goldy yellow color, and it's got another dragon. I think that's a dragon. Yeah, that's a dragon. Guys, would like to see the hair and makeup? I will show you that right now. Okay, so I'm fresh out the shower. I've just washed my hair so I can blow dry it nicely like hers. I've pinned it back though, out of the way. First thing you want to start off with is moisturizer, which I have already applied. I've given it 5 or 10 minutes just to soak into my skin before I do anything to my skin. Because this is such a dramatic eye look, I'm actually going to start with the eyes first, just because it's too messy to try and clean the fallout off your foundation and then redo bits. So I always find it easier with really dark makeup looks to do the eyes first and then the foundation afterwards. If you look at my eyes, I have currently got eyelash extensions on. I am due to go back in tomorrow because it's been like 2 and a bit weeks, but they've lasted so well, and it was my first time getting them done and I am obsessed. Yeah, but they are 2 weeks old, so they are a bit patchy at the moment. Like, I think this side's not as long as this side because I lay on this side and rub it off. But I am going back in tomorrow to get them redone, so they will be looking fresh again soon. A bit of concealer. This is just my matte concealer, getting a bit on my brush, and we're going to use that as an eye primer just to hold all our dark eyeshadows. I'm putting it on with the brush so I don't get it in my lashes, and then I'm blending it with my finger all around. So I'm grabbing this color here, just grabbing it on my fluffy brush, and putting it in our crease. And this is just a really nice color for your crease for any look. It's a really nice transition, it's really soft, and I'm just using the flip screen on my camera to make sure I'm doing this. So if I'm looking slightly upwards, you know why, because I don't have a mirror on hand. Well, I do, but it's over there. I don't feel like looking in that direction. This color. Get that on the same brush. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit more. Get that on the same brush, and we're just doing that underneath on the outer corner. Just going to stop it from getting too dark when we do the black eyeshadow. Now with a flat brush, I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to take an espresso color. So it's a very dark brown, nearly black. Take that and pat that all over our lid, close to the lash line as well. So I haven't done it in the crease yet because we're going to blend it out there. And you can see it's nearly, it looks black, but it's just slightly softer because sometimes black can be just a little bit too harsh. Oh yeah. This brush, I'm going to go ahead and take a black eyeshadow, tap the excess off, and we're going to do the outer corner, aim up to the end of your eyebrow, or well, in this direction, and then we'll bring it into the crease a little bit. Okay, so now that they're all blended together, I'm getting a makeup wipe, cornering it the out, and that's just going to tidy it up. And this is why I love doing my eyes before my foundation for these kind of looks. So you're keeping it on that angle. And just take off anything that's fallen out underneath. As you can see, that would have been all over my foundation. Foundation, I'm going to be using a full coverage one, and this is Double Wear by Estee Lauder. Out in the back of my hand, dipping my brow. So I'm just going to put that all over, and look, it's so good, this coverage. Covers everything. I forgot to mention, at this point you can go ahead and do your mascara or add your fake eyelashes. I can't do either because the eyelash extensions, you're not allowed to have mascara and you're not allowed to put fake lashes over the top. So, but if you don't have the extensions on, then go ahead and do that. I think if you do have a fringe like me, you'll begin to realize how annoying eyelashes are when you've got that fringe that sits on them. Foundation's done, getting that concealer. I'm putting it under my eye. Do the under eye concealer. I try not to actually put too much on. Like, I only put that little bit in the corner because it does spread. So I always start off with just a little bit. Goodbye eye bags. Okay, now that we're finished with all the liquid foundation and concealer, I am going to go ahead and use a pressed powder. And just get a little bit. Do I look like Selena Gomez yet?
Yeah.
So she's kind of got that almost kind of orangey glow. Like, it's not quite browny bronze, but it's not pink. It's like an orangey in between color. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this here, which is actually an eyeshadow, but it does look really pretty. Get that, just a little bit. It's not really a contour that she's got, it's just more there. So I'm not going to leave any harsh lines, we're going to do it quite soft. Look how beautiful Evie looks. Yes, you do, sweetie. I don't know why I'm putting it on my forehead, you're not going to see it. Ugh, my lips are looking really bad now that I got half the foundation on, but that's okay. I'll change it in a second. So for the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take that espresso color and this little smudgy brush. Oh, well. Make sure you tap off the excess. This is why I don't do foundation. Oh my gosh, how much fallout can I possibly get? I think I've got way too much on. Okay, we'll work with it. And we're not going in all the way. She does kind of have a gap at the start, which is nice. It makes her eyes look big. And I'm not going to line my waterline because her eyes do look quite big. I mean, she's probably just got big eyes and she has lined them, but it makes them look so much bigger when you haven't got that dark inside your waterline. Go ahead, get a white eyeshadow and put that in the inner corner. And check in the mirror to make sure I got all that fallout off. Move on to lips because these are kind of scary. Gonna grab this one, which is Primrose by Smashbox. Obviously this is too much color, she's got more of a nude lip, but I need a little bit of color. So I'm gonna go ahead, take a tissue. Now it's less color. On top of that, I'm adding some lip balm. This is my favorite lip balm, which is actually Blistex Intensive Repair. If you've got dry lips, this will save you. I'm not going to bother with my eyebrows because I'll have my fringe and it'll cover them. Don't have a fringe though. Go ahead and do your eyebrows. So on the ends of my hair, I'm going to be putting this in here, which just stops it from going frizzy. It's also a heat protector as well. I'm just putting that in the ends. I don't like any product up in this area because my hair will go too greasy too quickly, and this makes it feel very soft. So I've just blow dried my hair how I usually do it, and it is obviously too long. Look at my fringe, it's like in my eyes. So I'm gonna go away for a second, trim my fringe, and I'll be back, and I will film that, and that'll probably be another video because I have to trim my fringe every couple of weeks, and it just so happens this is one of those weeks. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so that looks a bit better. It's a bit shorter now. Now that it's cut, I'm going to get the straightener and I'm going to style it. Once you've styled it, you can see if you do need to trim a little bit more. Oh, peach. So once you've got it how you like it, this little bit's gonna bug me, but I think that's as good as it's gonna get today. A hairbrush, a little bit of hairspray, air it out a bit. And I do it like this because I hate having product in my fringe, and this way it doesn't make it go greasy, doesn't have too much of a build-up, and it'll keep it in place. If you've got too many flyaways on your hand, smooth it down very lightly. This way the product's never going, this way the hairspray is never going directly onto your fringe, and it won't make it too heavy. The rest of my hair is just pretty much blow dried straight-ish. It does still have a little bit of a wave to it, but that's okay. It's not frizzy, it's not too wavy, it's straight-ish. Watching her video again makes me really want to dye my hair black because I really love how it looks on her. Probably wouldn't look the same on me though. Click the, I think there's a notification bell you have to click, and that way you get reminded every time I do post a video. It will come up on your page, so don't forget to do that. And like this video, let me know what you think and what kind of videos you like to see in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye!